Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a Lambda function in AWS Management Console. So first, open AWS Management Console and from the search for Lambda. Okay, click on that Lambda and it will open the Lambda services. So as you can see, we don't have any function, so it is showing there is no function. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a function. So click on create function. In create function you will get many options. First one is author from scratch, second use blueprint, or third is browse serverless app repository. So what we are going to use, we are going to use a blueprint, that is the hello world blueprint. So we will write Python on the search bar, that will give us all the blueprints of Python. So from the blueprints we are going to select hello world Python. So click on that and hit on configure. After that it will open the basic information configuration. So we are going to give the function name as test, and then we are going to create a new role with basic Lambda permissions. Then these are the code of our Lambda function, which we are going to update in later on. So let's click on create function. After successfully creation of function, the function will redirect you to the function tab. So here you can see there is a configuration tab, permissions tab, and monitoring tab. And here you can see the designer window. We have a trigger or a destination. Next we have our Lambda function. This is a inline IDE, so we can use this IDE to edit our code. So what we are going to do, we are going to edit our program, our function, that it will return the hello world message. So I am going to delete all the lines and update the return with the hello world. Now we have done editing, so we are going to click on save. So we have saved the function. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to test our function. For testing we are going to create a test event. So first we are going to give the name of the test event as test and the keys. So we don't have to bother about the key for now, so let's click on create. So after creation of the test event, we can test our function. So click on test button, so it will test our function and give us the output response. After execution, you can see execution result is succeeded. So you can click on details and you can see that there is a message showing hello world and all the summaries of the input and outputs. Okay, so this is how we are going to test our Lambda function from AWS. Next what we are going to do, we are going to see this how it is representing in CloudWatch, means how CloudWatch is monitoring our function. So click on view logs in CloudWatch, it will open your cloud means functions CloudWatch. As you can see in our CloudWatch there is a log, so click on that and here is the log that showing we have executed a function for one time, and that is the keys and all the things are present here. So this is how we are going to configure a Lambda function and monitor the Lambda function using CloudWatch. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.